Going all out when it's by that bread and butter. The kill for clout, I put that on my dead brother, yeah. He talk so much, I showed him I'm a real hunter. Won't say it, but he know I still got real cutters, yeah. Yeah, I'm right back and I lost mad commas. I had been down bad inside a dog tunnel, yeah. Fuck them boys, I found out who my real partners. And who was only with me cause I had dollars. Never fucked a nigga, always stayed solid. Kept it real with niggas, never lied and always stay honest. Love my bro so much, I never change on him. I don't wanna go and do the work, bring you the damn profits. Hustled on my own, I always did know how to sell product. Nigga ain't gave me shit, I grind so long, came from the damn bottom. Every nigga speaking on my name could have some real problems. We are not the same, ain't in my lane, I got my own column, yeah. Peeping shit, I'm seeing niggas fall back. You bitch ass niggas got me at the topic of the chat. You switched on me when you know you in business with a rat. And the boy that's like your brother, ain't nobody speak on that. The city see it clearly if I had to state of fact. You still fuck with a nigga that ain't got your partner. Heard these niggas talking only knew him cause it's slack. These rap boys need more streams, heard he put my name on wax. You ain't even believe, I ain't have to watch my back. It's niggas really talking, how you think we done got snatched? Nobody sent the kite, I said in road waiting to get back. The shit didn't get off track, let's get it back on track. Going all out when it's by that bread and butter. The kill for clout, I put that on my dead brother, yeah. He talk so much, I showed him I'm a real hunter. Won't say it, but he know I still got real cutters, yeah. Yeah, I'm right back and I lost mad commas. I had been down bad inside a dog tunnel, yeah. Fuck them boys, I found out who my real partners. And who was only with me cause I had dollars, yeah. Fuck, I paid the lawyers all the millions for. Just so I won't have to say a word that I just railroad. Niggas find it hard to understand though. Dog ain't put me down, I been locked down, don't know which way to go. Never gave no statement or agree to take no stand on them. On whatever you niggas on it, trust me, I'ma stand on it. Lawyers and the DA did some sneaky shit, I fell for it. On my P's and Q, because this time I be prepared for it, yeah. Post shiny niggas throwing shade though. I can get on here, but I'm just chillin', just see how I go. But they say you want some smoke with me, ain't in my time zone. Any given day, I could just pop out one of them side doors. Gonna you too slick, you ain't gonna know which way I played. Shit too hot, I can't even put no money.
All right, what is going on, people? Welcome back. Welcome back to another stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's get the music up a little bit. All right, so we just had some pound news come out. We got 21 people tuned in, 10 likes. Look at that, guys. 10 likes before we've even started the stream this morning. So, guys, just let me know if the stream goes laggy at all. Hopefully it doesn't, but I know last time I did jump on and I've tweaked my settings, so it should be all good. Hopefully you guys can hear me all loud and clear. But welcome back. Welcome back. It's Wednesday, back for London session. If you guys tuned into the Asian stream yesterday, we did another banger on gold, another W. Amazing, amazing play. So yeah, it's good to be back. Good to be back. Streaming 4 times a week now. How you going, bro? I'm good, thank you, man. I'm good. Hope you're doing well. James, what's going on, man? Good to have you back in the chat. Hope you're doing well, mate. How's the move coming along, James? How's the move over to Gold Coast coming? I'm trying to make the move back down as well. 12 likes. Look at that, guys. 12 likes. Let me start sharing my screen. So yeah, we had a beautiful day yesterday. That was the Asian trade we took, and then this is the trade I took on Zoom with the guys in the community. But yeah, we've just had some pound news come out this morning. Wrong screen. Financial juice. So we just had some pound news come out. We're seeing pound yen have a big spike here. Nice initial reaction. Yeah, so we got that UK CPI right there. But yeah, let me just let the guys in on Zoom. Morning, bro. Hope you're well. Good morning, Rad. I'm doing well. Thank you, man. I hope you're good as well. Visa comes public on July the 1st. Just wait for that. It'll move in August. Nice, man. Nice. August, that's soon, man. It'll come around quick. Right, let me let Zoom guys in. Share my screen. Alright, cool. Who else is joining?
Morning.
How's it going, man?
Yeah, good, mate. This news is a nice bit of volume.
Yeah, big spike on pound yen. Big
I'm on
spike.
a UJ swing overnight.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, and something that's going to hit my TP soon.
Very nice. Very nice. UJ, let's have a look at UJ. I'll have a look at UJ more.
But in a, where's my entry? 14142.
14142. Yeah, beautiful. Very nice.
And I've got 14215. This is going to hit.
Yeah, I like that, man. I like that. Who else is joining? Yo, Antonio, what's going on, man? Right, good week so far. Good to hear, man. Good to hear. So yeah, gold had a massive push down in US last night. I didn't actually trade US at all. After we took these two trades, that winner in Asia and then another winner in London, I didn't actually trade US. I didn't watch it at all. I was going to watch it and I ended up actually falling asleep. But yeah, let's start breaking it down. How many people we got in? Alright, let's do it. So we'll look at the daily now on gold. Let's start breaking down this daily. So the daily has closed back below 1950 again, which is pretty big for gold. Whenever we're trading now back below 1950, we just got to keep following that wave of selling. We didn't grab any previous daily highs, which is quite surprising. Like I still think we have a lot of liquidity sitting up here, but we're not just gonna react and predict that price is gonna come up here. We're just gonna react to what we're currently seeing. As long as this daily on gold trades below 1950, I kind of want to be following that momentum. So we are now coming to, let's use these levels up here. Let's bring these down a bit. So we're coming into this support here now. Let me just go see left what we got here. Nice support around these levels. Coming into this nice support now. We got this resistance we just broke out of that, retested Asia, seeing that little drive lower. So gold's in this little range this morning of 80 pips, which is nice. We're trading 80 pip range. What else is joining? Well, what? I swear I just drew support. Why did that just disappear? Alright. Oh, I've got it set to my high time frame one, that's why. There, cool. Yeah, so we got gold in this little range this morning. We had a big sell off yesterday, which is very nice, a very nice sell off yesterday. So we are looking like we're probably going to come and target this daily low down there, which was yesterday's low. Is that yesterday's low? Yeah, yesterday's low. So today we've broken this level. During Asia, we've created that top wick. We've retested this level. Now Asia's flipping bearish. So I don't know if anyone caught any Asia plays, but it looked like we had a pretty nice sell-off. What we do today? Nah, not really actually. Kind of pushed up Asia. So Asia's here. Asia chop. Boom, pushing down. Yeah, pretty messy Asia to be fair. See what's on the 30. So coming into that 30 support. See this nice level of support here. Broke resistance, fake out, push back above. So if we start to bounce from this region, play it back up to highs, could be nice. I don't think it's just going to drop and bounce high straight away. I think we'll get a little bit of manipulation around this level, something like this. Excuse me, I sneeze. Maybe not. Fucking hell, I thought I was going to sneeze. So yeah, this 5 minute is very choppy. We've just had this. This is the first push we've just had this morning. We have some volume off that pound use. We only had that support there. We've just broken that. So we'll see if we can come back up. What are we in? We're 5 more minutes till this 15 is going to close. 15 is closed nice and bearish. So as long as this 15 breaks this level, we could look to potentially create a top wick and drive a little bit lower. Why is it saying the stream's going weird? Let me just check it on my phone. I don't know why it's been doing this recently. Let me just see. Well, that looks alright on here. Looks a bit blurry. Stream's all good my end. Alright, nice one, thank you, man. It just popped up saying it was lower than recommended, that it could be blurry, but as long as it's not blurry, all good, all good. Alright, we're going to wait for this 15 close on gold, see if we get some potential shorts down into this low. Coming closer to this level now. Robbie, what's going on, man? I'm good, thank you, mate. I'm good.
Was there an entry on the US that you would have taken?
Yeah, I think so, man. I think so. Well, there was a 5 minute. Let me see what the 15 was. It's quite aggressive, actually. Could have maybe... Let me just get this little 5 bigger. So the 15 kind of just flipped and... wrong chart. Let me see this 5. Nah, I mean, you could have been shorting like here once that 5 minute engulfed pretty bearish. But I probably would have been waiting for it to break the support and have a little top weight, to be honest. But it just aggressively fell. Only way you could have really shorted that gold is if you were maybe shorting from like here, but you'd have to have stops pretty wide. There's a very, very... So your stops would have just been like 60, running it down to like 100, but it's quite an aggressive trade. But I don't know if I would have... I probably wouldn't have, to be honest. Unless it did.
There's no top weight at 5 either, isn't there?
Yeah, I mean, unless you were taking that one, you could have taken that one, to be fair. But yeah, it was... I mean, if he did catch shorts from up here, I was looking at this before, it's like, if you had just trailed an aggressive stop above every 5 minute high, you literally would have ran this entire move down. Stop loss there, there, boom, and you would have got taken out all the way down there, which is fucking insane. It was a huge, huge drop. Did anyone catch it? Did anyone trade US? You guys on Zoom? I didn't.
No.
Didn't even watch it. So we've got this 5 minutes.
I saw it like halfway through and I just thought, oh, it's gone.
Yeah, I guess it's weird now you being back on UK time zones. You're probably watching it like during the day, which probably... I used to find that a bit of a nuisance, like right in the middle of the day watching US. I used to prefer just trading in the morning.
I saw it halfway through the move and I thought, oh no, it's already sort of moved 50 pips, I'm not going to jump in.
Yeah, I was thinking, once it was gone, it was pretty fucking gone. Unless you were having pretty wide stops. Well, no, I was going to stay up and trade, see what NAS was looking like. I know you usually start trading NAS to like 9:30, the 9:30 New York Open, but I fucking fell asleep. It's like 11:30 my time. I was going to stay up for it because I usually do, but I was too fucking tired. What did it do yesterday? It's Friday. Yesterday, spike up, rip down. Yeah, it's pretty aggressive. Pretty aggressive. But we're getting a really nice 15 closure here on Goldie. See how we're going to react around the support. Support like there. Are you a full-time trader? Living it, or is it your hobby? Extra income? No, Robbie, I've been a full-time trader for about 5 years now. Well, full-time for about 3.5. Been trading in total 5. It took me about 1.5 years, 2 years to gain consistency and start to find my feet. But I did failed at trading for like almost 2 years. Yeah, I've been doing it since I was like about 22, 23. I'm 28 now. Three and a half years consistently profitable. Yeah, man. Yeah, I quit my job probably about 4 or 5 years ago now, and took the leap of faith to become a full-time travel trader. That's why I did it first. I got my first ever funded account back in 2020. before funding challenges were cool. I'm just gonna wait for this.
You must have heard about them pretty early then.
Sorry, man.
You must have heard about them pretty early.
Yeah, well, when I very first started, it was like just coming about. It took me like maybe 2 years into my journey to actually know what they were and actually hear about them. When I very first started, I started with my own personal capital, and then I blew that very quick. And then yeah, I ended up going for my first ever. Well, no, I failed about two or three FTMO challenges before I first got funded. So, inspiration, but it seems too good to be true. Well, Robbie, that's the reason that I do these streams, so you can sit here and watch me trade live consistently every single day, man. Every single day. No position I share here or on social media, whatever, hasn't been taken live either on Zoom, the community, or here on YouTube. So that's the reason I do this channel, is to show people what's actually possible, because you can't trust anyone out there these days. Instagram is full of bullshit. I don't see many people sitting on here trading live, proving themselves every single month, every single day. That 5 will be a high of interest. Let me just see my drive. 15's just closed nice and bearish. We're at this 15 support. I think we need to come and grab this 15 low one more time. Let's just see if we can come and grab this previous 5-minute high as a level of interest, and we can probably bring our level like somewhere to around here. It's going to be nice if we can create a top wick around there for this 15 to have another drive lower. Could be nice. But for June so far, every single trade that's been taken live in the community, we're currently sitting around 7 wins, 3 losses, and 1 break even. And the losses that we've taken have been -2 pips, -2 pips, and -6 pips. So we've actually had a fantastic month in June. We've kept losses very, very small, and the 3 wins that we've had have only been 10 pips, which is incredible for June. Every single one is here. You can even see. Let's just see what this one was. Beautiful, every single one. So yeah, June's been a very, very nice month. Like, who did you learn your strategy from? Loads of different people, man. I spent quite a lot of money on learning to trade in the beginning. Some good, some bullshit. I kind of took a little bit from loads of different ones, so wouldn't really say I had, like, you know, one course or strategy or mentor that kind of stuck with me. I certainly wish I had something like this when I first started. That's the reason I do this. Someone to watch trade live every single day, trade the plan, show you the execution, the stop loss, taking profit. I certainly didn't have that when I first started. Wait.
Morning.
What up, man? What up?
I'm still bloody struggling here. Holy moly.
You got man flu.
I got the bloody hell of that.
Ooh, look at this, grabbing that previous 5 now.
What's going on in the world? Are you on YouTube?
Yeah, boy. On YouTube, man.
Hi.
Famous.
Yeah. Hey, world.
Been hitting the gym, Alan?
Yeah, you're looking swole.
Yeah.
Oh, you're making his ego too big, Ron. Stop it.
Geordie Shore.
The valleys.
The valleys, yeah.
I did actually go to the gym last week, actually.
Nice.
No lie, no cap.
Nice, no cap.
To cancel.
What's that leaving this week?
He's like,
but yeah, we got this says 15 minutes flipped, very bearish. This is the next 15 of the 30. If this current 15 doesn't flip bearish, then the 30 is going to be leaving a wick. And just watching this 5-minute around this previous 5-minute high and this resistance for a potential push back down. you know, we have had a pretty big rejection and bounce off this 30 support. So how many pips is this 30 range? Back down into lows, 30 pips, not bad. So if we were to consider shorts at the resistance, you have to have stops there. 14 pips, 30, 47. Not bad, not bad, not bad. 5 minutes just close, strong there. No shorts just yet.
There was a huge drop on the USA.
Yeah, on the USA.
Yeah.
Massive drop.
I see what you did there. I see what you did.
Yeah, it was a huge drop.
Was it? Was it just the fact that banks were opening after 3 days?
Yeah, I don't think there was. I didn't watch it, but I don't think there was anything. Well, I mean, it was the first day back since the bank holiday as well. Yeah, no, there was nothing. No, we got man like Powell speaking today.
Go on, Power Boy.
Powell boy. But we just had that pound news come out. Let's have a look at GJ.
Power.
He's a good lad. If anyone was on the Asian stream yesterday, this also played out to absolute perfection when we were trading around this third touch of this trend line. They mentioned that price would spike up, grab the liquidity of this previous second touch before then grabbing the lows. So, and then end up dropping even lower. So, yeah, amazing calls on the stream yesterday.
It was.
Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, made a great London session as well. We got 31 people on YouTube. Tune in, guys. Remember, drop a like for the stream. We're gonna make some bank this morning. Make some bank this morning. And if anyone wants to see the recap of the these two trades that we took on stream yesterday, I'm going to be uploading that to my YouTube. Probably up tonight around 8:30 Brisbane time, so in like about 4 hours. Bro, it seems you take momentum trades on 5 minute on lunch session or Asia session, right? And you take breakouts and retesting it. Yeah, pretty much. Along with understanding liquidity and retail traps. So I follow the momentum into key liquidity regions where I think retails may be doing something. So exactly like this, when we're around this third touch of this trend line, it's pretty much the exact same trade we took in gold. Every retail trader jumps in shorts on third touch of a trend line because that's what the textbook told you to do. They have their stop above the second touch of trend line, looking for the big play down. Whereas for me, I'm buying into that. So I'll be buying into that up into these highs for like 40 pips before then you can run it lower. So it's trading in intraday breakouts along with the liquidity grab and the momentum. So then you take the longs into that third touch and you short it down into this double bottom, triple bottom, which is huge.
I was wondering on the streams. I was watching one of yours the other day.
Yeah, man.
Could you get a hard clock on it? Just in terms of I don't know, because it's sort of working out what the time was.
Yeah. So you mean like to have like the London time?
Or something at the bottom, yeah.
Yeah.
Because I was sort of like, I was trying to rewind to a certain time. So.
Yeah, I can probably try, man. That's not a bad idea. Could be helpful. I don't know how, but I'm sure I don't do it. Do other traders do it? Maybe. Let me have a look. Who's on live right now? Stop loss, man.
Because I was trying to see if there was a move I think you took, and I was like, oh, I wonder what time that was, and so I couldn't zoom in.
Oh yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. I can see someone else doing it. Yeah, I'll see if I can. I'll figure out how to put that on. That's a good idea. How to put time? Yes. Yeah, it's a good point because I think it's important to understand what time the trades were taken, and that's like when I'm always doing my journal. I always kind of write down the time that they're taken just so I can kind of see like my best window of the time frames that I'm trading at. Like most of my trades this month have come between like 7:30 London to like 8:30 London, and that's pretty much it. Like within that hour window. And it's quite interesting to look back at the times and say like, look, if I look back at all my data and I can see like any trade taken past 9 a.m. is typically a loss, then you can start to work out like good time zones to trade as well. So I think it's important to note down the times. Yeah, I'll definitely add that in for sure, man. That's a good point.
I know you have one in the bottom right, but when you zoom in from YouTube, it's pixelated.
Is it blurred? Yeah. I kind of do them. I kind of got them here. So I kind of put them in here.
Yeah, I write down my times on the journal.
Yeah, it's really important. Very important. I don't think a lot of people like who do journal their trades do write down the times, which I personally think it's a bit fucking stupid. Like you need to know like when your best trades are coming, what time frames, and then you know like anything out of your time frames, then you don't trade, because otherwise, if people who are new to day trading will just sit on the charts for fucking hours straight, whereas actually in this game less is more. And looking at my journal from this month, literally every single good trade that we've had, see I had a loss here, that was a 7, so every good trade I've had has come between 7:30 and 8:30 London time. Yeah, what time is it now? Let me get my clock up. So what is it? 7:26 in London right now. Alright guys, 27:26 in 4 minutes, buy gold to the moon. Stats don't fail.
That's a baby.
Nice. So how would you enter the sell from up there? Well, I've been waiting for liquidity and false resistance to be created. So if you were going to short resistance, you want to see something like this. Like something like this. Because exactly the same, look, see before this real move, what does price do? Price spikes out all of the previous highs before having that real move. So right here is the level of resistance where all retailers trying to short, stop loss above the previous high, looking for this play down. They go into a little bit of profit, and then bam, they get spiked out, and then they have that move back down. So if everyone trading resistance, it's exactly this. So it's exactly the same as the trades that we took excuse me, we took in the Asian session and then in the London session as well. So we spiked out these highs, and I was shorting it down into the second touch of the trend line, and then even lower. Exactly the same as with the longs here. And I recap this in my video coming later on. This is the resistance. Everyone tries to jump in shorts like this. You know, you can just say you got your zone like this. It's very easy. People see that resistance. People, if you just replay it, let's just replay it. Let's get this going properly. So retail see that big level of resistance, looking for this big play back down. They short here, and you know, because retails aren't neutral, they're glued to their bias. They ignore this support. So they short here. So I already know anyone who's shorting here has their stop loss above this high. So exactly what we did yesterday in the London session, we were buying into that. Not right now. So we were buying into that. So everything we were saying on Zoom yesterday was like, okay, cool. The closer price teases around this level, more retail traders are trying to short, putting stops up here or stops above there. And the more we hover around this resistance with no liquidity grabs, then I'm like, amazing, I'm buying into that. And we took that trade, 0 drawdown, amazing position, understanding retail traps and liquidity grabs. So if you were to short this, you want to wait for something like this. And this 30 is about to close back above.
What kind of oil at the moment are you? Yes. No. Maybe. I think oil could possibly have a bearish move. Right.
Let's have a look at oil. Let me get a chat. I'm off, guys. Enjoy your session. Not be on tomorrow, Friday. Enjoy, Blake. Enjoy your weekend, man. Talk to you soon, mate. Right, let's have a look at oil. Oil on the daily. So daily time frame on oil. Look at that. We wicked out the previous bank holiday low. Still respecting that resistance. We've got current top wick on this daily, no bottom wick. So yeah, you could have a nice short into this bottom wick. Let's see how did last week close actually. If we go to the weekly. Ooh, last week was nice and strong. Very strong. Go down to the hourly on oil. We've liquidated the highs, we've liquidated the lows. So kind of got this hourly level right here.
Yeah, good.
You got that there. Break back below there, and you can see a nice play.
Yeah.
You could have a little potential, little 30-minute head and shoulders there if you come back up. I kind of broke it, retested it. You got potential little retest of that level before going. But yeah, this is some nice intraday levels to watch.
Yeah, I got that there.
Oh, let me go back.
That level I got across. Oops.
That's what I meant. You're back.
Yeah. Also, I got to target in.
I like that. And more so, like, if you do get a short, like, there's the possibility of this playing out. You know, is this a new lower low to come and retest to go even lower? Possible. That's yesterday's low as well. Might not come back down that low. I'll probably be taking most profit around here.
Yeah.
Some nice levels to watch on oil. We go, all right, cool. That 30 just closed on gold. So gold's closed back above this level here, which is huge. So this is huge now. 5 minutes closed back above retesting. I can't jump in longs just yet. I want to see price close back above this little 5-minute intraday level. But that is a big 30-minute wick. If we can come and fill it in, I'll wait for the 5-minute to start flipping bearish again. I'm not going to jump in longs or shorts just yet. I need to see a little bit more from the markets. But that's a huge 30 wick. Pre-London move, big wick. If we can fill it in, amazing. Did you notice that the market structure changed for the last few months? The movement is pretty abnormal on how they hold for a long time and then shift. I haven't really noticed that much, to be honest, man. I think a lot of people have been struggling in June, but for me, June's been a very good month. When you say you short, what are you thinking to take? When you say you short, I'm not quite sure what you mean, Robbie. Sorry, man. Not quite sure what you mean. What else we got going on today? We got Canadian dollar news, and then we got that US dollar news at 3 p.m. So we've had that pound news come out. GJ's left a big wick. Coming into filling that wick. 41 people tuning in. Guys, remember drop a little like for the stream. Fun coupon Wednesday. Making that Wednesday bread on a lovely play so far this week. We're getting some really good volume back in the markets. Really good volume.
Yeah, yesterday was a nice volume.
Yeah, really good, man. Really good. What else we got going on today? UK inflation. Let's take a look at this.
Bloody hell. This cough could go do it and all. Jesus.
Fully priced 6% Bank of England peak rate by December. Wowee. Does everyone think we're gonna have a big correction in the world or not really? Fucking.
Why would there be?
Well, that's the thing. I don't know. Interest rates here are fucking sky high, but people are still paying it.
Well, people, because they have to, don't they? Really?
Yeah, they have to. Yeah, people's mortgages have like fucking doubled in the past 2 years.
It's funny you said that because me and my brother and I were talking on Saturday. His mortgage has gone from like 340 something. He said.
Yeah.
It's gone up to like 780 now.
Yeah, it's fucked, man. It's
I'm like,
crazy.
what? He's like, yes. I was like, holy cow.
Yeah, well, I was...
See what it was.
Go on, mate, go on.
So I think the is it only affects people slowly. So like, so someone who's only just got one.
Yeah.
Oh well, I've got 3 years. I've got 4 years left.
Yeah.
And so it doesn't hit everybody. It hit everybody at the same time. Everyone say no. We're not standing for this. But it's like, oh, okay, well, I've got 3 years to affect me.
Yeah. It's true. It's just crazy.
That is true.
Because I'm trying to sort out like potentially buy an investment property, but like I was like running through all the figures today and trying to work everything out and interest rates. It's like when you work it out at the minute, it's like it's a fucking terrible investment. Even at the minute, it's terrible. You end up paying fucking more in interest than you do principal. It's just absolutely ridiculous.
Yeah.
It's fucking crazy.
Yes. Like, have you weighed it up back home?
Well, yeah, back home in Jersey, house prices are dropping quite a lot, whereas they're not here.
In Jersey. House prices are they dropping actually?
Oh, dropping loads, a couple of $100,000. Seriously, yeah, it's crazy.
Why is that?
It's in Jersey.
Oh wow!
Like over 100,000 in like the past 2 years.
Shit.
Is there a reason for it? Or?
Just interest rates are just fucking through the roof, so everyone's trying to sell. For sale signs everywhere. It's fucking crazy. So if anyone wants to go buy in Jersey,
like a broom cupboard over there, I don't blame them. You remember that property you sent me? And it was legit, like a shed in the back of someone's garden. And it was like over $100,000.
Oh, it was fucking way more than that. It's like over 300.
I was like,
you literally couldn't buy a shed in Jersey for less than that.
I was like, oh, holy moly!
I'm getting shafted by this sort of Grenfell Tower shit that's still going on in England, and my building insurance has gone from collectively 100 flats, but it's gone from 20 grand to 290 grand a year. Yeah.
Fuck, man.
I pay about 3.5 grand a year just for building insurance.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Jesus,
that's crazy.
Yeah.
If they're trying,
I literally can't sell it because no one will buy this.
Yeah, that's fucked, man.
I just got to sit on my hands for a while.
yeah, basically. Holy moly! Because there's you send me houses around up to there,
Yeah.
and I'm not paying that price.
Yeah, it's crazy.
I'm not.
It's crazy.
Like, holy cow! Should get this nice. Yeah. Lovely. That's what those golf clubs are nice as well. You know?
Comparing golf clubs to a house.
And she said the same thing. I don't get it.
This, I mean, liquidity and traps. Oh, when you say you short the liquidity we're creating, but you think of team structure, what do you do when this happens versus that? Well, like, it's same with like liquidity grabs and like, I mean, like any way that people trade, if this is what you mean, like you never know what price is going to do, but what a lot of beginner traders fail to understand is that's not your job. Your job isn't to try and figure out and predict what price is going to do next. And a lot of people in the beginning are so focused on, you know, they draw their levels and they draw their trend lines like, you know what, price has to come here, price has to do this. It's like, price doesn't give a fuck about what the hell you think. You can only react to what you're seeing. So it's exactly the same as, you know, this setup that we took yesterday in the Asian session. Like I was saying on stream, you know, I was pretty confident that price was going to come down and grab this low and have a drive even lower. But until this candle here closed below this, I couldn't short. I simply just can't short, and I won't short. I will not short until price closes above this support. amazing. Once price does close above that support, amazing. That's the confirmation. And I get the retest, then I react to that. I react to the fact that price has now actually broken my level and is now retesting and then gonna have the drive. So it's very important to understand that like you don't want to say like, you know, if like I think price is going to come all the way up here and I'm going to buy it. You just have to eliminate what you think and react to what you're seeing. So exactly the same now. If I want to take gold higher off that big 30-wick rejection, I can only react to that once I see price close above resistance, create a bottom wick, and then amazing, then I can drive it higher. So it's like I can draw on all the liquidity grabs, all the support and resistance, but I don't trade directly off it. I have to react to when price does something that's in my favor. So if I want to take gold higher, I will react to price once it breaks above this resistance. And if I want to take it lower, then I'll react to it once it kind of breaks this intraday support. But everything that we do in the markets has to be based off reactions and not predicting. It's the most important part of this game. And I know in the beginning it's very easy to draw on all your technicals and think, you know, but I've got this trend line here, but I can see this here, like I'm just going to wait for this to happen. But price doesn't give a fuck about what you think is going to happen. And you have to be able to, you know, draw up analysis and draw up levels of where you think price may go to. But if price doesn't do that, you have to react to the other side. And exactly the same as when you're in a trade. If you're running shorts, but you can see prices bouncing off support, then you have to react to that and manage your risk off that. So all of trading is about reacting. It takes a long time to understand what I actually mean by that. It took me a long time to actually understand that, but eventually it will click and it will make sense. You took that trade on stream? Yeah, both of these trades were taken on stream yesterday. This was in the Asian session. This was in the London session. I have the video uploading later on today about these two trades. Let's see. I'm going to get this 15 close in 4 minutes. 15. Not showing too much just yet. We may just get stuck in this little range for a little bit. See, it gets quite messy in here. You get a lot of noise in this level, so you have to be careful trading in this range. You know, even though it is it's a 30 pip range, give or take, we still have to be careful because you do get a lot of manipulation, a lot of fuckery. Which country are you traveling? I am living in Australia. I'm in Australia at the moment, man.
Living the dream.
In cold Australia.
Spoke about you yesterday, actually.
About me?
Yeah.
Huh.
Were your ears burning?
They were. Late at night. Ears burning late at night.
There's a mate I haven't seen for years. Oh, you bitch.
Yeah, what's oil doing? Let me see oil in this 50. I don't want to miss oil.
No,
closure blue.
nice.
Maybe this actually is quite a nice little fake out there. Let's see how this 50 is going to close in 1 minute. GJ filling in this wick.
Yeah, I haven't seen him for absolute donkeys, like years, and he's like getting into that trading. He was like, yeah, I've been doing it over 3 years.
Nice.
And he's like, oh, I'm interested in it. I was talking to him. Such a smart guy. And I said, oh, is this, you asked about a few of the skeptical traders. And I said, to be honest, I don't really know anyone else. So I said, I just know Aaron, and that's all I want to know. To be honest, and so he's
Nice.
going to give you a follow, and he's going to
That's sweet,
get on
man.
about the community and everything. So
Cool, man. Cool. Nice.
What I'm getting at is their commission.
Who? What's this? Oh, you want commission? All right, you got a deal. Has he been learning with some other people at the minute? Is that what he was saying?
Yeah, well, he's been watching a lot, and he mentioned
You type it in the chat.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What's I can't remember. What's the one? What's the
House crash coming in 3 years.
Probably on the YouTube now watching you around.
I did
Ah.
say in the YouTube.
What?
Yeah.
Do you mean him?
Yeah, that's
Ah,
it, yeah.
fucking hell. We got no hope.
And he actually mentioned, he's not, he's nowhere near now, that Welsh bloke.
Oh, yeah.
Scammer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
And, yeah, he's a good. Is Aaron a scammer?
Maybe.
I think no. Well, if he is, he's a good one.
I'll take that.
Yeah. Yeah, so, yeah. Stay away from those clowns.
Yeah, man. Yeah, he's welcome to join. You can send me a little message on Instagram if you want, or you can tune into the YouTube live streams, get a feel for how we trade and stuff like that. See if he enjoys it.
Yeah, but I said jump in because he's working from home a lot now as well. I said, perfect. I said, jump on YouTube. I said, he's going live today, tomorrow. I said, so I don't know.
Cool.
You might be on.
House crash. Sorry, Carl, I didn't see your message, man. Housing crash in 2 years. A couple of mates, large portfolios well informed. I can see it coming. Yeah, I can see it coming, man. And another thing that I've seen mortgage companies doing is now offering fixed rates a smaller percent than what it is now, trying to lock people in at that high because they're expecting that it's going to come down. So that's a pretty good indication. Yeah. Nice double top on EU. Nice, man.
Ooh, excuse me.
Always pops up on my feed. I cringe. Luckily, he doesn't pop up on my feed. But yeah, that guy's a fucking clown. Take care, bro. Keep up. Take it easy, Jackie.
Are the places you're looking at, is it long-term rental or you looking for something for an Airbnb?
For me, did you say so?
Yeah, are you looking at properties that suit long-term rental or are you looking for like a quirky Airbnb or something?
Yeah, I'll probably be doing long-term rentals, man. I'll be looking at long-term. I've had there is some good places around, you know. There's some good like one bedrooms in like the middle of Brisbane for like around 330, doing like 550 a week in rent, which is still pretty good. But like I was doing like I did a mortgage calculator to try to work everything out. Like a 500 grand loan on like the current 6% interest rate. In the first year, you'll be paying 23,000 in interest and only 5,000 of the actual house, which is just fucking crazy. Whereas back when it was, see, it's like this. So that's the amount of interest you pay as opposed to the actual principal. And so you'd be paying 23,000 a year, and that's just fucking interest. So it's like, it makes no sense. But back when it was like, 2%, paying 25% interest, 75% principal, and you'd be paying seven grand interest, 9 grand principal. But now that it's all the way up to 6, it's just like, fuck it, just literally, it's a terrible buy right now.
Oh.
Yeah, it's when you see it like that, and you look at like these figures, you're like, yeah, fuck no.
What's the do they do buy to lets over there, or do you got to put large deposits down?
Yeah, so you can do 5%, but you have to live in it for the first year, which it's not too bad. Do you have any open positions? Not yet, man. Not yet.
Yeah. But then you like the way you live now, though, don't you?
Nah, it's all right. I'm not a huge fan of living in Brisbane. I prefer being by the beach. I'd prefer to move back down to the Gold Coast. I mean, I don't not like it. Like we got a very good place at the minute. I'll probably stay in here for as long as we can. But yeah, ideally, I would like to move back to the coast. But if I was going to buy, it would be in Brisbane.
Sorry.
That's fine. But yeah, I want to put some money into property soon, but I'm not sure timing is right at the minute.
Yeah.
Brisbane is more good.
Yeah. Mark lives, isn't it?
Mark lives in Sunshine Coast.
Oh, Sunshine Coast.
Yeah. So that's like the opposite side of Brisbane. So you got like Sunshine, Brisbane, and then Gold Coast.
Okay.
Yeah, 5 minutes showing some rejections here. Oil, not a great 15 closure to short just yet. Probably wait for this London open. Good morning. Good morning, man. Read, by Phil Anderson. Nice. Alright, man. Let me take a look at that. Thank you. Secret life of real estate and banking. How it moves and why. Nice. That's pretty interesting. I'll get that on the list. Let me see. Yeah. Big level. What's that? 5, yeah.
Yeah, it's not worth the paper, not to be honest. I'm just calculating now.
How's this hourly forming on gold? If this hourly closes back above here, then you got the potential to flip it higher and come and really retrace some of this downside move yesterday.
Yeah.
So this could be good. How's the 30 starting to look now? So 30. 15 hasn't grabbed any 15-minute lows or highs first. I would have liked to have seen this low grab first before I could take this long. If you haven't grabbed any lows or highs just yet, 5 minutes just ranging a little bit. May wait for the London Open. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Back 2 seconds.
Are you back in work now, Ron? Or?
I'm putting it off. I don't want to. No.
Yeah.
But I realise it's tax free as well because I've only worked for like 2 months.
Now then.
So I'm like, wow, actually that's not bad, you know.
Yeah, it's first 12 and a half, isn't it?
Yeah, so I could easily make sort of this and then, you know what I mean? Tax free,
Yeah.
just claim it back later.
Yeah, that'd be okay.
Yeah, I went into the end.
I had a meeting today with work. I've got so many meetings. But,
Getting fired.
like, I told the man that, yeah, I might be actually. But I did tell them yesterday, she asked about like future plans of the company and everything. I said, yeah, I said I got a few. She's like, oh, here we go. I said, yeah, I said, generally 3 days a week by the end of the year. She's like, huh? Yeah.
Oh no.
She said, well, you can't do that. I said, of course I can bloody can. I said, I don't want to be in this company for life. I said, well, why? I've been in for 21 years. I'm like, how's that going for you?
Sounds like fucking hell.
Yeah. There's a massive reason I started this job is to get the insight of it all. To get a property of my own to do this kind of work.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Well, you need to get your level 5. You need to do your research on it. I said, I don't need to get my level 5. But my mate Scotty has got level 5. And he's got other companies. And we're going to do it together. So have that. There's money in it, as you know.
Yeah. It's an interesting business.
Yeah, they emailed me yesterday, like, oh, a little birdie tells me you're back in the country.
Oh
Still
no.
looking for work. And I was like, oh, can I let you know in March? And then it's like, and then today I've just done a swing. I've made like 1,500. I'm like, there's no bloody way I can go back.
Fuck no, hell no. You can't, like you can't. Mentally you'll never be able to. Once you can see what you can do from trading, it's very, very hard to to sit there at work knowing what's possible. Like, don't worry, you have to grind and you have to do it, but like once you start to like get established, you do start pulling that money. It's very difficult, if not impossible, to mentally go back to it.
Yeah. It is. Like I don't like
Look at this push.
8 AM start as well, because it takes away the trading aspect and the opportunity. Especially when I come back and then I see that you guys have made bank and I'm like,
This is a nice strong 5 close back above this level. 5 grab these previous little double bottom wick that out. This could come back for a little bottom wick. Could see a little quick scalp up into these highs. I need a little bottom wick though. What do you think of supply and demand strategies? I don't really know enough about them to judge. I feel like it's just support and resistance though. But I don't know. I don't really know enough about it. I don't know what.
Support and resistance.
Pretty much, yeah. I don't know what the difference is between supply and demand and support and resistance, to be honest. Same shit.
Yeah, just different wording really.
Yeah, pretty much. Stops would have to be below current 15, 20. This is a nice 5-minute breakout. This is the last 5 of this hourly as well. So past previous 5s have closed nice and bullish, which has given this hourly this big bottom wick now. Look at this hourly. Huge. Huge. How's this hourly looking on oil? It'd be interesting if oil breaks this level or we close below it. But the 30 is looking pretty strong. Grabbing that previous 30-minute low, close back above this level, you may take oil higher.
Yeah.
Oil's looking a bit nicer than gold, to be honest. There's more range to play.
It'd be interesting to see where the fake move goes at the open.
Yeah.
Will it go up first? Take all this out? And then just drop? I don't know. But
Huge drop in US.
Yeah.
There's a mad run at US. Look at that. Boom.
That's huge.
Huge.
I like that oil is back on our radar.
Yeah, I like oil, man. I like oil. Oil's good to me. Oil's very good to me. 5 minutes starting to push down.
A couple of 13% trades in a row with oil.
Yeah, we did. We had some big plays.
Back in the day.
Some huge plays on oil. Because you get oil in a session of high volume and it just can fucking run. You can trade oil on Top Step as well, for the guys who are wondering about Top Step. You can trade oil on Top Step. We got Goldie here, we got oil here, and we got Nasdaq up here as well.
So much better having this big screen, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, you need it. You need big screens. More screens means more money, guaranteed.
Yeah.
How does oil behave in comparison to gold? Haven't traded personally. It moves nice, man. It moves clean. I don't know why not more people don't trade oil. It moves very clean. It moves very impulsive as well. But if you just look for like the little intraday liquidity grabs and pretty much just support and resistance, like clean levels like this, you can just see how well it moves. And it gets nice. I don't know if you prefer to trade London, but yeah, it moves well in London. It moves very well in London. This is London yesterday. Huge run up. Big run. That's a massive move. Look at that. Bouncing off that support. That 30 grabs all the liquidity and then retests and absolutely rips. So you take the break of that 30 up into just this resistance. Boom, up into there. 100. Huge. Absolutely massive.
loves levels.
Yeah, it does. It loves them. Can you tell about taxes for traders in Australia? Unfortunately not, man. I can't give any advice on taxes or any financials. This is just for entertainment purposes only, man. We're just here for fun. If you want tax advice, though, I'd go speak to a certified accountant. Unfortunately, can't give any tax advice or any financial advice. We only trade demo here.
Yeah.
Alright, so hourly has closed back above this support. 30's probably just flipped quite bullish, closing back above this level. Yeah, amazing. You can come and grab this previous 5-minute low. We could consider the range. It's quite choppy. You know, it does get very, very choppy in these regions, which is quite skeptical. Makes you slightly skeptical to trade this range because, you know, you got resistance there, and then you got resistance right there, so it's very, very tricky in this range. Let's just see if we can get some London Open impulse entries. See how we react if we can grab this previous 5-minute low. Grab this previous 5-minute low, you know, re-break the highs, 16 pips up into there. Demo ballers only. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Only trade demo. But yeah, that's a really nice 30 closure. I'm surprised we didn't actually grab the previous 30 low before this break back above. Could leave that open for some downside later on, maybe. Oil. Nice rejection. So that actually still respected this level. I'll probably wait for a little more.
Yeah, still respecting at 71.20.
Yeah. Gold about to grab the previous 5-minute low. As soon as gold grabs this previous 5-minute low, hourly's creating this bottom wick. We have the potential to look for some sort of breakout. His range is very, very difficult though. It's very, very difficult. You probably have to be break even if we do go long, like right here, which is quite aggressive. Which is only 16 pips, which is a bit of a tight range. Alright, cool. There we go. We just grabbed the previous 5-minute low. See how we're going to react around here. See if we're going to flip out of this little range. Up into here. I just don't like how quick we have to go to break even. So stops would now be below this current 5. But we have to be break even right here. So 8 pips. You know, we could come grab these highs, but we have to react to this.
Yeah.
Let's just wait. Let's see.
Minute and oil is minute.
Yeah. Oil looks like it may come grab the 30 lows one more time.
Yeah.
Which is 30-minute low on oil. Yeah, down there. Gold about to start re-breaking. I'm personally not going to put this in. I just don't like how tight the range is. Like to have to go break even right here is like 4 pips, which is very, very aggressive. Too aggressive, personally.
That's TP, isn't it?
STP done yet?
Thank you.
Now we're talking.
Great.
But so first 5 minutes there's London Open, so we're in no rush to jump the gun just yet. I can see we're getting some nice volume this morning, like similar to what we had yesterday, so we can catch a trade at any point. If this current 5 doesn't flip bullish, then we'll probably wait for just a little spike low and make them grab the lows one more time.
Yeah. Even like patience would pay breaks above here, and holy, there's so much room.
Yeah. Once you clear that, you're chilling. I just don't like how like. Sorry, man, you cut out there. I lost you.
You haven't got that in, have you?
No, not yet, man. Not yet. Just drawn up to see how it would look, but I just don't like that you have this instant resistance right there. Like it makes the pip amount, like even if you just buy the retest entry now, which I wouldn't do, it's only 12 pips. It's quite aggressive. Quite aggressive. But it's a nice push though. Really nice hourly wick. How's the 4 hourly looking? 2 hours till it's going to close, but so 4 hour, yeah, 4 hour to me still screams that we'll grab these lows. So the 5 minutes just flipped bearish there. Are we going to come and fill in this hourly wick? Maybe. So the 5 minutes just flipped bearish, goes back above our level, so you take the break of the lows. But again, there's no downside target to short just yet because it gets so messy in here. Have we just grabbed the previous 30-minute high? Yes, we have. That's the 15. Yeah, 15 hasn't grabbed any lows. But the 15 is still trading above this support, so if anything, the 15, you should only be trading a continuation of what this previous 15's done. Until the 15 closes back below, you can react to that, but as it stands, 15 is broken above, retesting. Could easily see this 15 flip. If we didn't have this shit right there, I'd be looking for a continuation of this 15. But the fact that if you take a trade now, you're coming into instant support, it makes the probability of this trade a lot less than if you were to have a nice range.
Good.
But we got time, you know. Like I say, we're literally 6 minutes into the London Open.
Yeah.
And we got plenty of time. Look at our previous plays. What time is this? We had one at 8 AM, we had at 8:40, 8:35, 8:25 yesterday. So 5 minute did flip bearish. If the downside was nice, I could have considered that because it broke back below here. Broke back below retesting.
60% bang on for the month so far.
How much, sorry?
60%.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's good.
It'll be really interesting to see at the end of the year. Oh, oil on 5 minute.
Well, hello, oil. Good morning.
Jesus.
Welcome to the party. Yeah, see, that's oil. Just bounces off support and just, like, look, bounces off 30 support and just runs. Let's see if we're going to get a nice closure here on oil. Get a nice closure and a quick little bottom wick and you may take oil higher. But yeah, look at that. Broke back above our level, respected. Grab the previous 5 minute low. Boom. I think oil, you have to kind of be more open to retest entries and just support and resistance. Unfortunately.
I was watching the previous 5 minute and it was just, it didn't know where it was going. Normally, it does have like a strong move in one direction at the open, and then
So you grab that.
you can kind of see where it goes.
Yeah.
Today, it was just like bouncing up and down.
1930 sweep of liquidity will happen. Where's 1930? Is that the previous hourly low? 1930. Yeah, I got that low marked on as well. Yeah, overall, I want to take gold back down to there. But I don't think that will come into US. I think we may retrace some more of this first. But yeah, I want to see that taken. I'd love to see that taken, man. 1 more minute to this 5, so it's going to close on oil as well. What was that level on GJ? Yeah, 180. Look at that. GJ came back down, retested 180 on the daily and flipped back bullish. A very nice level. Look at that. Precision of the round psychological numbers there. Break, retest 180, pushing higher. I've seen a lot of people trying to catch the top on GJ, which I think is just fucking stupid. GJ's been on an insane run. To try and catch the top is just wild. Let's see if this 5 minutes going to close back above and start re-breaking the highs here on Goldie. Try a bit high. Is this 15 gonna flip bullish with some good volume here on gold? To be honest, I'm more liking the look of oil at the minute. I'm more liking the look of oil. So you just had a 5-minute closure there on oil. No bottom wick on this current 5 just yet. Goldie's flip back bullish, but it's also chopping quite a lot. 5 closed bullish. Doji bearish bullish. No, may mess around in this little range. 15 starting to flip bullish on gold. If the range was big enough. Oh, I spoke too soon. Look at that. Spoke too soon. You could have taken the break at the 15-minute high. Like that. Happened as I said it, motherfucker. But this is good. This is good. This is what we want to see. 15. Clear this little level here, and then the level to come up higher is much nicer.
Yeah.
So this is what we needed.
Very good, very nice.
Probably have it like that. Nice strong 15 closure here on gold. You see the chart, man. EU. Ooh, very nice. I like that, man. I like that. As soon as you clear this resistance here, I think you get a nice push there, man. As soon as you clear that, you probably have a really nice run up to these highs. I like that. I like that. I like that. Go on, gold. Gives a nice 15 closure here, nice and strong. Probably the same people calling for new lows on BTC. How did Bitcoin close on the weekly? Fucking Bitcoin, man. Alright, I know what that is. Oh, look at that run on. Oh, look at that bounce off 25k. That's beautiful. Look at that.
Obviously, it's too more now.
Yeah, that's next up on Bitcoin. 100k guaranteed. If you don't buy Bitcoin now, you'll miss out on the next bull run.
So glad I bought some yesterday.
Yeah, me too, man. I just locked in like 20% return already.
Oh,
XRP's a
okay.
sweep. But that on Bitcoin is actually a lovely bounce off that 25k.
That base is still there.
Yeah, because we got the angry face down there, and we got the moon boys up here. Where's the moon boys? There he is. Moon boys are up there. Yeah, it's a lovely bounce.
The circle jerkers.
Yeah. Only 100k? Fud. Yeah. Bitcoin loves them psychological levels though. Look how clean that is. It's so simple. Day trading crypto can be so fucking easy if you can be asked.
You can trade crypto on the weekends, can you?
Yeah, man. Yeah, you can trade. I used to trade on the personal sometimes. 15 closure. All right. Let me see. Oh, I don't want to miss oil.
No.
What are you up to, oil? What are you up to? Had the 5-minute close. Ooh. So, 5-minute is grabbing the previous 5-minute low. It's a big if, but if this 5 can start to show signs of flipping bullish, you could take this higher. Now that we're grabbing that previous 5-minute low. But if we don't flip bullish, then the 15 is going to be leaving that wick around that sort of left shoulder head, right shoulder, which we mentioned earlier. So let's just see. Let's monitor this 5. There we are, grabbing that previous 5-minute low, which is nice. Have we grabbed it or not yet? Let me see if we grabbed it on the broker. Oil 5. Oh yeah, we have. Oh, now we have. Yeah, cool. So if we close like this, then I'm not interested. But if we show signs that we're going to start to flip and you get a big impulsive move, then I want to consider it. We got gold, 15-minute breaking above, retesting. I really want to see this 15 close above this level in the next minute to give me that confirmation. As soon as we clear this level here, we got nice buys up into there. Got that oil starting to throw some signs of rejection.
Yeah. 15 and oil will be.
Yeah. Ooh, look at this. So I get a big wick after grabbing that previous low on oil. Let's just see if this candle is going to potentially flip here. So you take the break at the body high, you'd have stop low, this current low, which is a very nice tight stop loss, very valid. How long you got? 10 more seconds. It's going to flip bullish in the next 10 seconds. Oil can do anything. Anything can happen on oil. No, it didn't flip bullish. Okay, let's just wait. So, oil didn't flip bullish, but the 15 has closed above this level. You got no bottom wick on this current 15. So the higher we push up, you probably want to then wait for the retracement, and then you can take it higher. Gold on the 15 didn't close above our resistance, so it's tricky. Tricky. Getting a pretty big bottom wick here though. It's a pretty nice bottom wick if this can start to re-flip out of this level. Currently retesting these highs. Gold's going to spike down a little bit more. You could consider some aggressive buys around here with stops around 12 pips, for around 17. So you'd be looking at, like, you know, as long as we don't create a top wick, you'd be looking at some buys around there. Nice tight stop loss, 10 pip stop loss, which is very nice. It'd be around 12 pips.
Do you want gold to take out the previous 5?
Yeah, I think so. That's why, if this can spike down a little bit more, I would consider some aggressive buys on the retest here for then this to come and create a top wick.
I don't think it is. Aggressive, to be fair.
No, it would have been nice. Don't create a top wick, you motherfucker. Did we retest the highs? No, we didn't. That spiked down a little bit more. It still can. If this can spike down a little bit more without creating a top wick, I would take buys on here. As soon as this starts to create top wick, I would be break even. That's what we did yesterday. It was actually quite nice. There she is. Fuck. That was very, very close. How many pips was that? Less than 2 pips. Oil's still having a push. No bottom wick on this current 5.
Yeah.
That's something I've been doing recently. That's kind of like the trade that I did in Asia yesterday. It's like, if there's no top wick and we come back down to a lovely little retest level, I can buy it into the top wick and into the liquidity high. So if I was in that now, I'd be break even. And as soon as you start to create that top wick, you take some risk off the table. Oh man, that was so close. Man, oh man.
I see what you mean.
Do you know what I mean? It makes a lot of sense. I've been testing it quite a lot, and it's actually been playing like really well.
Possibly open more than one position then.
Yeah, well, yeah, you can. So you can take half here, and then you can take the half how we normally do, right? So
yeah,
it was like this. The Asian one that we took yesterday was exactly that. That's why my entry was all the way up there and not all the way down there, because this 5 broke this level, and then as soon as this candle opened, it opened and pushed straight up, and we didn't even wick out the previous. So as long as we don't even grab the previous, then I'm pretty much shorting it into creating a bottom wick and grabbing that previous. And as soon as we grab that low, I got my entry from up there. Then I can be much more aggressive with my break even, because then if we come re-break the high, you don't want to be in it. But I'm pretty much shorting it into creating a bottom wick.
Yeah.
It's quite an interesting way to look at it.
Yeah.
And yeah, that one yesterday, I was like, as long as we don't wick out this, and you get a nice top wick there, as soon as we create a bottom wick, then you take risk off the table, and then you just, I hit 20 pips instantly. But if I was waiting for the break of the lows, then I would have only hit 14. It can be more aggressive, but it makes sense to me.
Yeah. I understand that. It's alright.
Like, if you look back, like, how often, like, say for example, this candle here, before this created a top wick, like, how often does price close without creating a top or bottom wick. Like it's very, very rare. Like, so there it didn't. There it didn't. Every single one of these, every single one, that one didn't. All of these, that one, that one, that one. Like 90% of the time, you know, you can flip it into a quick top wick. And like if we were in this position, if it just spiked down that a little bit more, you'd be break even already. Fuck, that came really close. So you could put half in there, and you put the other half in, and you come back up. So just create the top and bottom wick already. Something to watch. Something I've just been noticing a little bit.
The stop loss then. Oh, yeah, nothing.
Yeah. So I was looking to take like that. So if we didn't have a, because we hadn't created a top wick, I would have bought off that level, buying it into that top wick as soon as you create the top wick.
Yeah.
But yeah, that came that close. I think we actually will grab this previous 5 minute one more time. Fuck, that would have been a sniper entry. Look at that.
That would have been Sniper Rooney.
Sniper Rooney, instant 10 pepperoonies. You know. We only take sniper entries here. Sniper entries only.
Yeah, only.
So no bottom wick on this fire, but this is actually flipped really nice. And now, oh look at that! Now we're creating a. See, if we hadn't had a top wick already on oil, you could be looking to buy into that double top. So oil has got some liquidity sitting above there. Very close, yeah, very close, man. Euro pound, I don't trade that pair, man, so I fucking hate that pair. I don't advise anyone to trade that pair either. One of the worst pairs you can trade.
Gold coming back down?
Yeah, coming back down now. So I'm not going to buy with it again now, but 15 still failing to break. See, if oil didn't have a top wick, you could do exactly what we're saying. But because it's got a top wick, I don't really want to. I mean, you could, because you've got a clear double top up there. You know, you'd have to have stops down here, so you take some oil buys now. If it doesn't respect this level and flip up bullish, then you just cancel it straight away, and you close it very, very quick. Okay, I'll have a quick look at Euro pound. We're waiting for gold.
Yeah.
Have a quick look at Euro pound. Let's do it a little bit top down. Top down. So Euro pound is in a very clear downtrend on the daily, breaking these levels, retesting, also respecting support on this current daily. It's the reason I don't like it is because it ranges so much. Like it can just fucking range for ages. You kind of got resistance there. You got B, so you gotta go. It's just bounced off like here. That level's quite nice. Had a little fake out there, broke back above, retesting. If anything, I would be considering Euro pound longs into these highs. If that as soon as the alley closes back above this little, let's adjust this a little bit. As soon as it closes back above there, which is looking like we're gonna get a really nice. Look at this support, broken, resistance, support. As soon as you get that fake out confirmed, you come back down, you retest it, and you could be long it up into here and here. That's all I'd be looking for on Euro pound, man. All right. Ooh, look at oil. So Goldie here is pushing up, but we've not liquidated any previous 5 minute lows for the past 1, 2, 3 candles. So I think gold needs to spike down a little bit more. Isn't gold buys above 19384 a better idea? 19384. Yeah, it is. It's definitely more confirmed. That's why we're currently stalling around here. But I'd be in and out before then. But yeah, I'd hold runners much higher. But waiting for it to fully clear, yeah, this range, absolutely. But if you get good volume, you can clear it quite quick with something like this. But because gold is stalling like this, we're not really driving. I think we need to come and grab more liquidity and grab some previous 5 minute lows to be able to have that drive up. So that's the reason I'm not jumping in longs just yet. I think we need to grab a little bit more liquidity. But yeah, in terms of probability, you'll definitely have you'll definitely have higher probability waiting for gold to break out of this range. But that range is still 25 pips, so I personally don't want to sit on my hands for half an hour. If I can get an entry and trade this little range, amazing. But until we grab some 5-minute lows, I won't take it just yet, man. And gold buys from 1934. Ooh, very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice. How many pipperoonies? 25 pips. Beautiful. Exit at 938. Ooh, holding up there. Yeah, nice. You got that nice for an entry that you can be break even. Nice 5-minute close there on Goldie. Oil. Stalling. See, gold's had a really nice run. Oh, fuck, man. If we had got that entry. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. If we had got that entry, would we have just sniped? 12 pips. Still not much. Not really moved. But yeah, I want to see it come and grab some lows. I want to see some lows grabbed. I want to see some. What time's it? 8:25. So we're still in our prime time trading session. So we got time. We got lots of time. But yeah, because gold did have that insane drop in US yesterday. It is pretty expected that London's going to range today, but as we can already see this morning, even in these ranges on London, you're still getting your nice 20-30 pip moves. You're really close to sniping a little entry there. Should have, would have, could have. Words must use, yeah, worse words, man. Should have, would have, could have, but you fucking didn't. So accept it. Everyone enjoy. Any trades? Yeah, man, we just took 50 pips on gold. Yeah, we had gold longs from here, and we just TP'd. Oh shit, I lied. Okay, 35 pips. I'm joking, man. I'm capping. No trades yet, man. No trades. We were very close to taking this buy. This little ride up, but she didn't give us the entry just yet. And this 15 is still stalling, but we're gonna get a nice 30 close in the next 4 minutes. Yeah, 30's looking real nice, clearing all this level. So 30 can still give us a bottom wick before we run higher. Yeah, 10 grand done and dusted. Yeah, light work, man. In and out. YouTube guys, drop a little like for the stream. We got 41 people tuning in. I took a half risk buy. Very nice, man. Very nice. If anyone's got long from here or here, this is a beautiful run. That little double bottom liquidity grab there was lovely. If we didn't have that noise right there, you'd have some lovely buys from there. Really nice buys from down there. Again, if that 5 minute didn't close back below that resistance, amazing. But longs from there would have been nice as well. But the fact that 5 minute grabbed our previous low but actually broke below it, I couldn't take it just yet. So like I say, I thought it was going to go up, but it broke back below my level. So I couldn't predict and take buys because I'm thinking it's going to go up. I have to wait for it to close back above. And as soon as it does, amazing. That's now why I'm looking for longs again. What time do you come online daily? So I do London session in the community every single day, but on YouTube I do London session 7 AM Wednesday and Friday, and I'm doing Asian sessions on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So same times every day. But I appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. We ain't done yet. We ain't done. We've already had a nice W this week on YouTube. Only streamed one day. We're gonna get another one today. We're very close, very close to having another one here. Very close. But we still are. We'll join you. Awesome, man. Be a pleasure to have you in. Oil is stalling. Let's see what £1 up here. Be interesting to watch this. I'm traded, but it'd be interesting to watch it. Goldie, how long we got to this close? 30 seconds. Alright guys, I'm going to run to the toilet. Give me 2 secs.
Oh. Hello. Very quiet, you guys.
We can, EU stalling 2. Yeah. I mean, there is USD news later on, but I think the only reason we're chopping so much is just because, you know, we had this insane drop down, so we do need to correct quite a lot. The 30 has just closed back above our level. Currently retesting this little level, currently grabbing that previous 5-minute low. I still think this low is going to be a level of interest, and maybe grab the previous 15. Whenever you see price stalling like this, sometimes you just need to spike down and grab a little bit more liquidity to have the next run. So, you know, how I'm top wick now. Oil's not moved just yet. Still got that double top sitting up there. Maybe come and grab the previous 15-minute low.
Yeah.
Spoke too soon. Let me have a look at EU, man. EU. Euro pound having that push. EU. Yeah, EU's a bit. It's pretty messy. Had that big run up.
It's like a 3-pin pattern to the highs on oil.
On oil. Yeah, huge. Did we grab that high on my broker? Let me just see if we grabbed them highs. No. So you got that. Got that double top there. $35 people tuning. Where did 10 people go? Who's stream hopping? As soon as we're about to get, as soon as I say, all right, guys, we're going to trade here, everyone will start flooding back.
Yeah. Childish.
Very.
No need for that.
Nah, there's no need. We're all friends here.
Yeah. No, they keep on with that nonsense. Yeah.
Yeah, you're not getting a party bag at Alan's party, that's for sure. Remember party bags? Party bags at school were well good.
They're so expensive now.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah. You know, a couple of sweets and a party bag. The party bags are a couple of quid.
The nice thing about oil is, like, oil is stalling, but you know the 15 has broken back above this nice level. I would love to see it grab that previous 15 to run it into this double top. I would love to see that. But what I would love to see,
Break even.
30 might not need to. Look at that. 30 has closed juicy above our level. This 30 can start to flip bullish and we re-break this 30 high. There's the potential for a run. Party bags are different in Melbourne. Yeah, party bags have changed throughout the years. That's for sure. Yeah, if this 30 can start to flip on oil, I think this could have a nice run. 15, yeah, it's got the previous 15-minute low there. How many pips do we have up into the highs? So you'd be break even there. As soon as we got that double top, you'd be at break even. But yeah, we could run much higher. The range is much nicer on oil.
80 would maybe be.
Yeah.
Half off. But then how much is that?
See this 15 is starting to flip bullish. You know, we haven't grabbed the previous 15 low, but you look at it on the 30. The 30 doesn't necessarily need to. You know, the 30's broken this resistance, currently retesting. We've grabbed some previous 5-minute lows here. Grab that previous 5-minute low.
Yeah, and those this current 5 minutes and the previous 5 minutes.
Gold's re-breaking the highs.
Yeah, they haven't broken.
Gold re-breaking the highs now. Gold just closed bullish. So the 5-minute on oil just closed bearish. No top wick in this current 5.
This goes down to it.
So that's the 15 low there. Yeah, see, gold is re-flipping bullish, but it's tricky. It's very, very tricky. If I was in longs, I want to be in longs from down here. I want to be buying at this resistance. If I was to favor gold or oil right now, I personally favor the setup on oil. If we can wick these lows, that previous 15-minute low, I would consider some half risk buys. And then I'll take another entry if we start to reflip bullish. So 30, yeah, previous 30's closed really nice. Or if I don't, then I'll wait for this 30 to reflip. I'll have a stop below here. First TP break even point is there, and TP will be around there.
So much liquidity right there.
Let's see. Yeah, the fact that it is hovering around that 5-minute support that much. Oh yeah, see. Yeah, that's a nice 5-minute 3-pin pattern there actually. You can even have see some buys like that. You probably see buys on the break of this current high with like, what would that be for an aggressive little entry? Where the fuck is this? 8 pips stop loss is pretty nice, to be fair.
Yeah, especially in gold. Come on, come down. With that, all that, come on.
EU.
I think I'll catch that.
Yeah, lovely push, man. Very, very nice. That's what I want to see on gold. That 5-minute was lovely. Yeah, that's a really nice play, man. Good job, man. Very, very nice play. Hey, you can react in it. Nice. 2 minutes. I may put this buy in at half risk on oil in a second. It doesn't look as I'm a broker. It's a little 5-minute double bottom.
I just wanted to take those out. Oh wow. Gold grabbed it, flipping higher on gold. Grab that low, flipping higher. Oh man, up. Gold really played us. We were 2 pips away. No, 1.5 pips away from buying gold, and we would have been up 20 pips. 20 pips in range. The plan is following well. Yeah, the main buy on oil would be for that 30 to have that continuation higher. Oh, go on. Grab that previous low. Beautiful. Throw me some signs of rejections here and I'll consider these buys on oil. The strategy that I was talking about on gold, where you know it doesn't create the top wicks, it's not as probable on oil. Half risk on oil. If I was to take a buy now, it would be half risk. If I take the re-break of this current 5, I'll go full risk, man. But I'll say. Yeah, so 15. Yes, we're grabbing this previous 15-minute low. Well, we're not. We're trying to. Where's the 15 low here? Oh, yeah, we do. I'll be trading this on futures. Oh yeah, you don't. Yeah.
Let me see. I'll check out my personal. Let me have a look. Oh yeah, grabbing it nicely now. Cool. Let me have a look. 2.3. 2.3 pips on blueberries markets. All right, fully grabbing that previous 15-minute low now. If this 15 can come and re-break its previous high, I think we get a really nice drive into these highs. I'm not going to take any buys just yet because we know we're throwing a big wick. I'll only take some longs if this can start to flip out of this. Oh, you guys on Zoom need to see the nice cool feature we got on YouTube now. It's worth a watch. Go on, let me know when you're on.
On YouTube?
Yeah, go on. I'll show you something fun.
Okay.
Are you ready? Tell me when you're on.
Yeah.
You on?
Yeah.
All right. So this is the level that we're at now. So we take it from looking at this, and then with a press of a button, we can be looking at the top step account. Look at that. Boom. And then we can go back to the charts, and then back to when I take the position, so you can see everything taken live with a click of a button, and you can see my face on the full screen. Full stream mode now. Ooh. Oil. How long is this 5 gonna close? Alright, stops would be. How's this 5? So 5, just let me go back to the 5. So 5. Let me just see how this 5 is gonna close. We've re-grabbed that previous low that we wanted, which is very nice. Is that with Stream Deck? Yeah, man. Yeah. Had to get a little upgrade. How do we work out lot size on oil? 10k Forex challenge on ACAP. You got to work out the contract size, man. I don't want to give any lot size and you take it, but a lot of these funding firms have completely different contract size, personal different contract size. So you just have to see, go on your MT4 or 5 and click details and see what it is. Or just take on a demo position first. If you never traded oil, just see it first. Did you take long on oil? Not yet, man. I'm very close. I'm very, very close. Right time for EOFY. What's that, man? I don't know what that is. Yes, end of year. Yeah, you're right. It is. Lots of upgrades coming at some convenient time. Right. If this current 5 on oil doesn't flip bullish, then we're gonna wait, because this is the last 5 of this 15, and this is the 5 that, if any 5 needs to flip bullish, it's this current 5. Because if this 5 doesn't flip bullish, then this 15 is going to be breaking back below our level, and it's not going to be having that drive up as highs. And if it doesn't, then we just wait. So let's just keep an eye on this 5. Not put any buys. Yeah, re-breaking those. No. We can wait for the 15 close. Goldie pushing back lower. Ooh, look at that. What a push. See, if we had them buys, we would have already been out. What would we have hit? Would have hit tires 23. Yeah, it'd be way up by then. So if this 15 reflips bearish on oil, breaks back below this level, then we're probably going to wait for the 30. What time is it? 8:43. When was the last time we took a trade this late? Let's have a look. Well, we took a. Oh yeah, we took a trade around this time. On the 7th of June, and it was a -2 pip loss. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Oh, look at that on gold. Slamming back down. Huge. Grabbing that previous 5-minute low. Anyone buying into a top wick? You wouldn't?
You're right.
With a 70 pip stop. How about short on gold? Yeah, maybe, because let's see, we've grabbed these highs here. you know, we had that little, you can see we had a little trend line coming on down there. Look at that little trend line. Like I mentioned at the start of the stream, you never short the third touch of a trend line, because look what happens. Lots of retail's trying to short here. Stops above these highs, stopped out, and now have an aggressive push back down. The only way I'll short, probably is if we clear this range. You know, because this range is only 15 pips. I don't really like to trade anything less than a 30 pip range, personally. I'm still oil, so oil's just flipped back bearish. If gold had to come up and create a top wick before this bottom wick, you could consider. Oil, yeah, oil's pushing lower. For the most part, when we're trading oil in the London session, you've usually had the move by now. Where was London yesterday? So London there, 7:15, bam. So you had a little 8 AM spike, but not really, not compared to what you normally get. So where was that? 8:30. Had a big run there. How long have we been on YouTube for? 2 hours. Look at that. 2 hours. Oh. Because, you know, this 15 has flipped bearish on oil, but the 30 is still very bullish. Very, very bullish. Wick that support. Close all the way back above this level. Doesn't mean I'm going to jump in longs just yet, but I'm not phased by this bearish push. I won't short it back down. Hey, who's drawing that?
What?
Who's drawing that? Who was it?
What?
Alright, get it off. How do I get it off?
You're going to say a name on it?
Yeah, it did, yeah. I'm joking. But YouTube guys, if you want to re-watch the recap of these two trades, I have it uploaded to YouTube in about 2 hours, and I'll be live in the Asian session tomorrow at 10 AM Brisbane time. We'll be live in the Asian session. We get another Asia W. Start to flip bullish. This current 30 is now going to be looking quite strong. So it's not flip bullish just yet. Stops have to be quite large now. Stops have to be 20, I'd say 20 pips, but break even around 10, TP around 25. What if we can get a nice 5-minute liquidity grab? Yeah, as it stands, stops would have to be below that low. Oil's still my favourite though. Oil's still looking the cleanest to me, to be honest.
Yeah.
I just want to see how this 5 closes. If 5 closes back above and you get a nice bottom wick retest, you could consider an aggressive entry. And I'm feeling aggressive this morning.
Oh.
Yeah, we're not here. We've been sat here for 2 hours and I haven't even got to take a trade yet, so time to revenge trade, I think. No, I'm joking, I'm joking, I'm joking, I'm joking, I'm joking. Close it. Ooh. That's a nice entry there, man. I like that entry. What's that, pound yen? Yeah, nice. New platform. What platform is that? It looks familiar. Is that markets or something? Is it the markets one? It's called. I can't remember what it's called. When I very first started, I was on like. Was it markets.com? Yeah, I used to trade on this one when I very first started, markets.com. I don't know if that is it, but it looks pretty similar. Messing around when you, oh, it's plus 500. Oh, nice, man, nice. Yeah, it looks similar to markets.com. Yeah, I'll double check the fees on plus 500. I know it's a very common, like, retail app to trade. Is it online pool? Nice. Alright, oil. How long you got? 30 seconds on oil till we're going to get this 5-minute closure. This 5-minute closure wicks out these lows aggressively. Retest this level, closes back above this support. We have the possibility to see a potential aggressive entry. Longs up into the highs. So we'll be looking for like stop losses nice and tight. We're looking to play up into this range. But we'll be very even around these highs, but we'll be looking to target around 71.8. Alright, so we close back above our level. I would have loved to see this create a bottom wick first. It should open with an instant top wick. It has broken back above our level. So it's either a fake out or it's low volume. The next 5-minute will confirm, but I would consider some risky buys in this current 5. Create a little double top there. Doesn't have gold, delete. Yeah, get rid of that, man. Get rid of that. Get on Top Step, man. Top Step you can trade straight from TradingView. Straight from TradingView you can execute positions. Alright, so we're pushing up. What's gold doing? Not a lot. Yeah, I wanna take this oil trade. So this 30, is this the 30 started to flip yet? No, not yet. So where's the 30 body is there? So that's the point where the 30 body will start to flip bullish. So we've still got quite a little bit to go, which is okay. We still got time. I would have loved to have seen this oil open and come straight down first, and I would consider re-breaks the highs. I still think we need to create a little bottom wick.
No, normally like this.
No, it's usually having some strong momentum by now.
Maybe she had a few beers last night.
Yeah, it's a little bit hungover, I think. She's just warming up. I typically find, like, if you don't get a trade by like 8:30, you usually go quiet for like an hour and then you get a more volume at like 10 AM London time. Not that I stay around to trade that long, but it's just something I've noticed recently. Alright, there you go. She's coming down, retesting now. So, if you can re-break your own high, then I'd have stopped below this previous low here. And I'd be looking to play it up. I'm just... With the way that we know oil moves very impulsively, the fact that we're stalling so much makes me slightly skeptical. Slightly skeptical. Oh, Aiden with the whiskey recommendation. So we'll get some whiskey for this thing behind me. Yeah.
Oof.
Yeah.
I used to drink a lot of whiskey in Canada.
Really, I've never been a whiskey drinker. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Rebroken. Yeah, signs of low volume. That was a fake out. Broke back above, now breaking back below. Very low volume on oil.
But she can move.
Yeah, she can move. See, that was the 30. That was the 30 region where the body would have started to flip bullish, which we didn't even get close to.
Yeah.
But, I mean, this 5 on oil could easily still flip up and rip up. Like anything on oil can happen. I'm not gonna jump into that, but I never trust these moves on oil.
No.
49 people in. YouTube guys, drop a little like for the stream. Been on for 2 hours now. I'm waiting to snipe some positions and continue this June winning streak. Let me put in a poll actually. I'm interested to see how everyone's found their June so far. There we'll go jumping on the little YouTube poll.
YouTube poll.
Yeah, just for fun, guys. Feel free to respond to it. Doesn't break even, profitable, loss. It doesn't matter. I'm just keen to see how people's month is. If you had a loss, don't be afraid to share. There's nothing wrong with that. June's been a slow month for a lot of consistently profitable traders. So.
Yeah, I know. Pastor, how's he traded today?
That's a good question. Let's have a look.
Didn't post anything on Instagram.
Let me see. Yeah, he's up.
He's on YouTube.
Yeah. So we've got 5 votes, and I'll let a few more people vote in. Even you guys on Zoom can feel free to jump in the YouTube poll. I'm just keen to see how people have found June. So 5 minutes close back bearish there on oil, a very low volume. Ooh, so far 50% profitable, very nice. Good to hear. Oil pushing lower, gold pushing lower, but not broken this range just yet. Coming into the last 5 of the hourly. How's the hourly starting to look on oil actually? Yeah, big wick without grabbing the previous hourly low. Very easy to get fixated on the 5. 9 votes in the poll. 56 people profitable, 22% break even, 22% loss. Some pretty good stats. Good to hear. Although a lot of people have been struggling in June. If you were in a loss for June, it's okay. And nothing wrong with that. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. Right, just lost 5 of this hourly on Goldie. If this 5 starts to close bearish, we're going to get a big hourly wick here. Look at that, big hourly wick, and I think we'll come down and fill in this low. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I've seen this fucking guy before. I think he's the... Wait, is he who I'm thinking of? No, he's not who I'm thinking of. No, I haven't seen this guy before. No, sorry, no. No, I've not seen him before. 300k on YouTube. Fair play. What does he trade?
I think he trades like Bitcoin and XRP and all that.
Yeah, nice.
I think.
Nice.
Oh wow! Have you seen Mr. Rajabank's new car?
Raja Bank's new car. Let's have a look.
Holy!
What is it? What is it? The G-Wagon?
Right. Yeah, I've seen the inside.
No, let me just see.
Damn, girl.
Raja Bank to do a virtual trading session.
Is he?
Where is he? Has he put it as a post? Oh yeah, put it as a post.
Yeah, post, yeah.
Oh yeah, nice. Nice G-Wagon. Very nice. Good shit. Oil. Look at that. Oil. 30 didn't flip. Pushing lower, stuck in this little range. This is probably the slowest I've seen oil move in the London session in a while, actually. Check out Euro Pound. Set a buy stop after those highs you were talking about. Nice. Oh, beautiful. Look at that, man. Good trade. Followed the plan. See, I don't trade that pair, but it played out very, very well. Good stuff, man. Set a buy stop after those highs you were talking about. Yeah, good shit, man. Very good shit. I love to see it. The power of just waiting and following the plan. Massive hourly fake out there. Rebroke that previous hourly high. Had a huge drive. Amazing, amazing trade. This guy had more volume than fucking oil and gold. Excuse my French. Wowee. Very nice, man. Very nice. Doesn't even trade a pair. Gives a signal. Still a winner. I know. I know. I mean, I should have taken my own signal there.
Still winner, chicken dinner.
Boy. Goldie rejecting. Join FWA YouTube fam, absolutely. Come and join the crew. We do this live every single day in the London session. We're on a beautiful run in June so far. Making that bread, and the month ain't over yet. How many weeks we got left in this month? Two. Yeah, we've got till next Friday. Very nice. So sitting very nice for the month. 7 W's, 3 losses, 1 break even, and the losses are very, very small. So gold in this previous hourly has opened and closed in the exact same point. It is very interesting. So this hourly just closed incredibly doji, and we almost banked 20 pips in an hourly candle that's just closed incredibly doji. So 5 minutes just respected this, closed insanely back above. Oil is kind of messing around a little bit. Huge wick, but we left a double top. It's kind of any man's game at the minute. We haven't grabbed the lows yet either, so you could easily see it grab the lows for maybe a push higher later in the US.
The thing is, with oil, do you know when it messes around? It then just drops, or like, it just flies. So that's the only thing I'm going to stay on for a while today.
Yeah, in 5 minutes, oil could be down here.
On the 15 on oil on the left, it's like it messes about and then just absolutely drops.
Yeah. I'm gonna bounce. Glad to be back on the streams. Enjoy, Jack. Hopefully see you tomorrow, man. Good to have you back on.
See you, Jack.
Look at that, 39 people watching, 39 likes. Look at them numbers.
Oh, go on.
But we need more viewers. We need to be taking over this London session YouTube streaming malarkey. I don't think anyone's making the bank that we're making. Calling the moves we're calling.
I
don't know how many other London streamers there actually are. What do I type in? London trading. See who's live.
One I can think of.
Yeah, me too. It's the only one. I can only see that.
What about that girl? Does she go live?
Who's that, sorry?
That girl trader, the woman with the Porsche.
No. She only trades in the US session.
I watch it.
Live, the market structure trader. Who's this? How many people got watching? How many people watching here? 81 people. Nice. Cool. Yeah, we got to take over these London numbers. Light work.
Yeah.
Goldie pushing back up. Maybe come and grab that previous 5-minute high. I still really like gold to short into this low of yesterday, but I'm just skeptical that we need to come and, we've got 1950 back up there, but we need to come and, retrace some of this move. Probably won't come until US though. But so far, gold in London, haven't missed anything. There's been no missed entries, which is good. We're following the plan, sticking to the plan. What time is it? 9 AM London time. Alright, give me 2 seconds. Alright, YouTube guys, I'm going to wrap up there. No trades taken today on stream in the London session. Very, very quiet. Gold hasn't really done too much. I'm going to stay on with the community for like another half an hour, but I'll let you guys on YouTube go. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. We've had a great session, lots of great answers and analysis. I'll be back on live stream tomorrow for the Asian session, 10 a.m. Brisbane time, and then we'll be back for the London session on Friday as well. And I'll be posting the trade recap of the positions that we took in about 2 hours. So lots of value to take from that as well. But like I say, appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. If you did enjoy today's stream, remember drop a little like, subscribe, and hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Mm-hmm.